Hello, friends. A very good evening to all. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to be discuss about creativity. This is for third semester polytechnic students. Title is communication skills and life skills. Today's topic is creativity. So, as you know, this is C.H. Narsaya, senior lecturer in English, SG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about creativity, part one. It's a lengthy lesson. It's one of the important chapters. It is very useful. Everyone requires creativity. As budding engineers, as engineer, upcoming engineers, you should have creativity. How to bring into existence new things. The creativity is bringing into new. Its objectives. Coming to objectives, understand the different factors that lead to creative thinking. Know the factors affecting the creativity in individuals. Think differently. There are three objectives are there. The first objective is understand the different factors. What are the factors develop creativity in a person? Okay. What are the factors leads to creative thinking also? Know the some factors affecting creativity. What they affect the person's creativity affected. There are many things are there affected by individuals and many individuals. Think differently. Think out of the box is also very important in the creativity. Here coming to creativity. Creativity means bring into existence new thing. Think differently. Actually, this meaning is creativity is defined as the tendency to generate or recognize ideas. Creativity is defined as the tendency to generate or recognize ideas. Alternatives. They have the recognize the one idea and they'll think about alternatives also. Are possibilities. Are possibilities that may be useful in solving problems. What are the possibilities we have using useful solving problems? There are many problems we face in day to day life. To solve our problems, we need some creativity. Communicating with others and entertaining ourselves and others. Here, I would like to remind you the story of a thirsty crow. A thirsty crow, I think, wants to fulfill his thirsty, but it's there is a part nearby it, but there is very a little water at the bottom level, so it is unable to drink the fulfills thirstiness. Thirsty crow think creatively, and it picked stones one by one deposited in that pot. The water came up and fulfilled its thirsty. So the crow used its creativity or its thinking to fulfill its need, thirstiness. Same way, it's a tendency recognize the different ideas. We have to find the ideas. The alternate solution is to thinking. There are many solutions to fulfill that its thirstiness. The possibilities also we have to be think of it. Creativity is a novel way of seeing or doing thinking. Creativity is a novel way of seeing what they think of it, how they see. The creative people that see the different perspective of about persons, things, and objectives also. Doing thinking that characteristics of four components. It has four components in the thinking, creativity. What are the four factors we are going to discuss? First one is fluency. Fluency in the generating ideas, the communication itself, what actually it is. Fluency in generating new ideas and thinkingly, we can improve our fluency. Shifting next, flexibility. Flexibility also there. The flexibility uh, will develop shifting perspective easily. Shifting perspective easily. Shifting perspectives easily is also one kind of that is flexibility. The person has to be flexible according to the situation. We should not stick. We should not argue and always think creatively to solve our problems. Here, coming to next one, originality also important. Connecting something new with originality. We should not borrow from anywhere. We should not derive anything from. Be original. That's important. Originality is important for the creativity. Bringing into existence new thing is original. We should not copy. We should not derive the points. Next, elaboration. Elaboration is the fourth one. Building on others' ideas. We have to be take the other person's ideas and we have to elaborate on it. What are the four factors? Are one is fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. These four items are comes under creativity. Here coming to the creativity, the person with today we know the thing is here caterpillar. Caterpillar, how that is, how it mutates as a butterfly. So if it doesn't have the persons without having how that is a caterpillar. While when it was a caterpillar, we should not looks. It's not a beautiful. After becoming a butterfly, it's beautiful. So the person before thinking creativity, with a creativity bring into beautiful things. So don't lose the hope. You never know what tomorrow will be bring. Tomorrow will fulfill our things. With one quote that is. Next point is invention. What do you mean? We know the invention day to day life. There are many things are coming to exist nowadays life. Invention is creating something that did not exist before. For example, uh, Marconi invented radio. Thomas Alva invented bulb. So these are the invention. Before them, we don't know. We don't have that radio, and that is I think the bulb. Very very important. How that is the creativity used. They use the creativity and they bring into existence new things. That is invention. Invention also comes under the creativity. With the creativity only, the cause of creativity only. This we are seeing. Even Charles Babbage, how it is, how he prepared laptop, uh, computers, and these are many things are coming to existence with their creativity. The scientists did a big, uh, put a great effort on with their creativity. They come into existence and new things. That is invention. Innovation. Coming to innovation, next point is innovation is thinking creatively about something that already exists. For example, Thomas Alva Edison invented a bulb. So we are using bulbs in a different way for we are decorating for purpose or for many types we are using. That is innovation. Using in a different way. Already that was article is there. That is innovation, innovative method. So innovation is invention. The different invention is that new item coming to existence. Innovation, that already existed item will be going to be used in a different way. That's for sake of our use. Novelty also is one kind of novelty is the state of quality of the being new. That's all already is there. For example, one car is there, not prepared by bring adding some new thing in that car, that is novelty. Existing, usual or unique. Something they are creating new things, adding something new things. That is a uh, uniqueness. Adding uniqueness is a unity, novelty. Unusual, sometimes existing. So creativity. Next, coming to creativity, generating new ideas by combining, changing, or reapplying existing ideas. Creativity, generating new ideas by coming, combing and changing, and this is a and reapplying existence ideas. Creativity is very important. Generating, combing, changing, reapplying. That is the reused, reapply. So we have to change as per our convenience. Next, introducing a new good. So the thing is, you introduce some new things, a new good. That is also creativity comes under introducing new thing. For example, in any motorcycle, introducing electricity vehicle, using electricity. That is a new good introducing. That is the creativity. Like a vehicle running with oxygen or hydrogen, a vehicle running with water, some environment. That is a new thing creating. Already vehicle is there, a four wheeler, but that is running by water, some coming to. So many things are coming to do to the only creativity. Introducing a new method of problem, opening a new market. So opening some market also. A business, the business is one kind of creativity also. Before coming to existence, a geo network, geo, I think there was no proper network for at a rural area. I think even though that is available, that's not doesn't work properly. But he introduced in a great manner with a free of cost of some months, but everyone purchased geo network that was spread to the each and every corner of the India. Now he created a biggest market. Now he became the world uh, sixth richest person. How? Due to the creativity is only cause. Opening new market, he opened a new market. That is our creativity of Mukesh Ambani. Identifying a new source of supply of raw material. Some people we will get raw material cheap cost or a good quality raw material. That also comes under creativity. Coming a forming a new organization or any industry also is one creativity. That's the one kind of creativity. With the how to be start a new organization to spread over the to make them to flourish the business or their organization, their industry, and that's one good. Once the mm, thermal power is a famous, and next hydropower coming to great, they occupied great portion. But now solar power, how it is, everyone is I think it is suspected is the possible or not. Now solar power occupied is one of the best contributors, best position in the organization. That's the organization, industry, those who launched the business, that's they became rich under their creativity. Next, creativity in the some more points. Invention is the creation of product. Like a new being into inventing the new product or introduction of a process. How to make a process. One new product to bring to new product. That's one creativity. The process of for the first time, Thomas Alva Edison was an inventor. We know. Is he inventor or not? Is 100% sure he invented the bulb. Innovation happens when someone improves on our markets, significant contribution. Some people now the everyone is using bulbs, The bulbs are different, choose and LED, LCD, and whatnot, the decorative bulbs. But now, firstly, only the bulb, the only having the tungsten filament having. Now, how many types of bulbs are there? But now that is the innovation. But invention is preparing bulb, but using in different occasion, different methods as per our requirement. That is a one kind of creativity. Creativity. Next, coming to next point. Creativity is seeing what everyone sees, what they are seeing, what they are doing. Everyone it sees, and thinking what no one also has thought before. But they were no one is they don't have such a kind of thought. But these people, the creative people, think well in advance before the others they are thinking. Invention is transforming these new thoughts into tangible ideas. Invention is transforming, they are changing these new thoughts, how we have to use the bulb, how many types of bulbs are we have to prepare bulbs. So there are many things are came into existence. Innovation is introducing their ideas to the end user. Innovation is introducing these ideas to the end user. Innovation is channeling creativity. Innovation is, but innovation channelize the creativity of the persons. It will useful the end user. That is very important. For example, producing ideas and products is a one kind of channelizing. That is innovation. Some people may have prepared one item that they got patent and they preparing. Invention is of course preparing a cell phone by Martin Cooper. That is invention. But there are many types of cell phones are prepared. That is channelizing by the companies, and they are producing crores of mobiles for with different features, different things. Their ideas are product coming to existence. Next, creativity is some more points. For an invention, the focus is on the novelty. We have to focus on novelty, which is new. Novelty is nothing but new. But for example, one vehicle is there, car, four-wheeler car is there, but keeping all the qualities and with sensor, front sensor, back, it is a creativity. That is keeping adding some features, good features, adding GPS, adding sensors, camera. Those are all comes under creativity, and this is a key criterion for patenting. That's only the criterion of the patenting. Invention is patenting. They'll get the patent. Why? Because that is a brainchild of their product. In other words, it must be new. It is a field all over the world. So new, it has to fill all over the world. They have to use everyone. Creativity is all over the world. It's not for one single persons. Those who think creatively, those who think innovatively, they will become. It's not for persons or single persons asset. Creativity. Innovation on the other hand does not have to be new except in a specific situations. They use, but that they use the develop the market, and sometimes they use them different way. So now so many but uneducated, they are preparing so many types of, they are inventing many things. How? It is their creativity only cause. It's only cause. One illiterate man, they're preparing with sensor lights, off and on with the claps. That is an invention, a great invention from that person. The sensor with the clapping hops and on with sound system. What is a great creativity or not? 100% sure. Thus, the innovation may be seen as exploration. Innovation seen in exploration, and invention may be commercialization. Exploration and commercialization is very important. Exploration and commercialization nowadays. Novelty, novelty is the state of quality of being new, whether it is quality or not, is a new one or not. That not is novelty coming under novelty. Existing unusual or unique things are called novelty. But nobody is not using in previous it. Nobody is not added anything for it. So an existing new thing is that's unique. The qualifying being new. That's it comes under it is. So next factors that lead to creative thinking. Some factors contribute us to develop creative thinking. What are the factors behind it to create? You cannot say everyone is creative, everyone is equal creative. Of course, they born free, everyone, but we cannot say all are equal creative. That is, we have to think of it. So, creative certain factors are in it, behind it. What are the factors behind it? What are the factors contribute to lead the person's creativity and creative thinking? These thinking what are the benefits we are going to get. We know very many things behind, many things will contribute for producing it. The many factors are there. Education level is a best contributor, best factor to be developing creativity. Educational persons that generally the research scholars, scientists will be highly qualified. So we cannot deny the some uneducated and some those who are studied their schooling or college level. There are some people that are exceptional, but generally the many creative people are there highly qualified. The education level is pace the area they have studied, that is also one of the causes to one of the factors to lead the creativity in a person. Next, differential treatment of boys and girls. So treatment is different nowadays. We if a couple has one baby and one boy, generally we have the gender bias in our society. Due to gender bias, I think the girl child may be neglected. Girl child may be not encouraging to invent something. But a boy are encouraged to be join the corporate schools and convent schools. The baby may be sent to the. Of course, I'm not saying that government school children not creative, but the parents' treatment is different. There is a bias between the boy and girl child, though they are both are their kids. But of course, behind it there are of course so many social factors are there, but their financial status may be cause all kind of our the social our thinking way of thinking in the around the society, one may be the person's influence may be are there, but the society are a male dominated society, in somewhere the female dominated society also there. The difference gender difference also cause of one of the causes to develop the factors, one of the factors to create the thinking power. Education is must, higher education, and the treatment of the equality, but the boy and girl will be creative equality. But those who are encouraged to, the encouragement is more important to develop the creative thinking, creating new things, and adding innovation for them, novelty for that products. That's important. The encouragement is the best, very important thing. Next, premature attempts of elements fantasy. Sometimes the people those there where they grown up, how they are encouraged in their childhood, how they what they did in their childhood, how effectively creatively thinking and trained. That's kind of attempt maybe their creativity. The boy a baby is supposed to be asked a number of questions about the this existence of world, existence of the everything new society, and how um, why why sun is rising, sun rises at east and why sun sets at west. If an educated mother or father may clarifies, but the earth is rotating from west to east. This is the cause for of the uh, arising day and night. If the parents or teachers may clarify the, their doubts, they will be creative certainly. The sort of that is a their attempt will be, they will be matured. Their thinking, thinking will be matured level. There are many elements of their fantasy of thinking about the astrology, and their everything thinking about the NASA and ISRO, that, but their creativity is more. But encouraging, creating opportunity, showing opportunities for the people to develop the creativity is very very important. Next, restrictions on manipulation and curiosity. There are many restrictions on the children nowadays to people. If the boy is going on asking some why seasons are occurring, why some rainy season after some summer, why we are facing the spring season, maybe summer, winter, why these we have to develop the revolution and rotational cause, why nights and day and nights are occurring. These if those who are able to make them aware of that such a kind of facts and scientific things, people will be premature, people will be creative, more creative. But we don't encourage them, such kind of people, we restrict them. Why? If a boy is go on asking so many doubts, please shut your mouth, don't ask some more questions. But it's not me. We have to encourage the students, we encourage the children to ask as many as questions. If it is a possible to, if we are able to clarify, we can, or else we have to learn and clarify. We have to make them to know the what is fact, what is novelty, what is innovation, what is invention. These are all okay. We have to make them to real. But we should not keep any kind of manipulations also. We should not manipulate it. Accuracy is important. Curiosity, we have to develop the curiosity among the children to that age, the schooling and adolescence age. Childhood is a very very great age to develop the curiosity among the people. The creativity generates in the childhood age. We have to encourage it. Next, candidates are resulting in fear and timidity. Some people, they are going to be the results, that is a fear. If why if a boy asked, mother used to bully her baby, that is one person is coming, the shadow, showing shadow, this is a ghost or something. This is not resulting. Fear, creating fear is not right. Timidity, developing that, this leads to timidity. In a both authority and peer and relations, the peer group also will be but well educated, and we should not be authorized on the peer group. May be a good peer group, their creativity will be developed. If the we should not authorize, we should not dominate the people, children. We should not trust the creativity of the people. That's the main thing we have to think on it. The thrashing, overemphasis on prevention is important. We should not emphasize, we should not go do this, do that, do this. We not. We should not prevent the children also. Always let them do something. If they are interested, you have to be encourage them. If it is possible to help some extent, you help. Or else you should keep away. But we should not trust their creativity. We should not prevent them. We should not restrict them. We should not be make them timid. Should not fear them. This is a very very important. We should not authorize them. That is very very important. That prevention, success only formula. This is the formula for everything rolling, roaming on the. We can listen this word, the success. But due to success, I think the these kind of pressure will crushing the creativity of the people. They should not think about that their new innovative things. But parents are bothered about their marks, students' marks. So you need success. You have to get the percentage on percentile. Good, good, good. This is the force, not that. If we let them to think of it to learn the in a creative way some subject, they will success. Lack of resources out of the ideas. With if we have the resources, we have many person has many ideas. So there we have to be provide the resources for to such creative people uh, to coming to existence new their ideas new coming to implementing their new ideas. The misplaced emphasis is wrong way, so we have to be prevent them. We should not force the students. We should not fear the create the fear among the students. So let me tell you something. Steps involved in the specific approach. Steps involved in specific approach to creative thinking. There are many steps are there. There are but these steps are very very useful to develop the creativity among the students, the people. Let me tell you one by we will discuss what are the steps involved, and we will discuss after one by one after. First, idea generation is the first part. One is step. Second step is curiosity. What third step is imagination. Fourth step is complexity. Next, elaboration, complexity, abstractions, simplification, divergent thinking. What we hear the points are idea generation, curiosity, imagination, elaboration, complexity, abstractions, simplification, and divergent thinking, fluency, flexibility, persistence, intrinsic motivation, risk taking, empathy, originality, storytelling, flow. These are the steps involved in the scientific temper, creativity. Uh, these are the scientific approaches, steps involved in the developing creativity. Let us discuss point by point. Idea generation. Idea can be tested in many ways. Some tests are relatively straightforward, but some require a lot of time, effort, or the development of specialized tools, explicitly discussing the logic and the thought process that inform experimental methods. Explicitly discussing logic and thought processes that inform the experimental methods. Works better than hoping students. Works better than hoping students will get it. They should have the hope, that is ideas. I will get the idea. I will get the idea. That is the important idea. Then here enough experiments are described. But there are many experiments they were discussed and their ideas are there developed. Next, curiosity. Curiosity involves an inquiry outside oneself. Curiosity involves an inquiry outside oneself. Very very important. The persons to develop creativity, if the person has such a curiosity to do something, is the creativity level is more, and he'll learn the creativity also. So we make them to we have to inculcate the curiosity among the students, people, the budding engineers. So the curiosity involves an inquiry outside oneself. What is going to happen? How we have to do this experiment or something. The scientific attitude. Curiosity develops the among the students scientific attitude, especially based on the assumptions that the truth may be known through observation. They know the truth with the thorough observation. with experiment only. Truth, the assumptions will be coming to existence. The experiments and the thorough observation, that is important. The non-scientific attitude. The non-scientific attitude is the belief that truth already is known. With a scientific attitude, we know the truth and we can do experiment and we can prove it. But non-scientific thing we should not prove it. It may be known in the ways that do not involve in the interest. So non-scientific attitude, it should not create the uh, curiosity among the students. External world it is. So if a teacher, I would like to mention here example. If a teacher is teaching science about the experiments, some science project, something. If the teacher may show experiment for the students and let them do the experiments, the students, that students will develop the curiosity a lot. If the teacher is go on telling it, the curiosity may not develop and they may not become the curiosity critical thinking people. That's a very very to generate the creativity among the students. You see, we have to develop the curiosity. That's very important. Next, imagination is also best step, another important step. Imagination is the ability to come up with mental images. If we have, so already we framed some images of something that it is not a real, whether it is real or something true. Come up with a new and creative ideas. Imagination has some images and we have to be creative ideas. Elaboration. Coming to next point is elaboration. Elaboration is the give more detail about something to discuss something more fully. Elaboration is give more details about something to discuss something more fully. Whether it is elaborative or not, there are many things we have to discuss. Here coming to next part, complexity. Complexity is a generally used to characterize something with many parts that those parts interact with each other and multiple ways. That is complexity during the study of these complex images, linkages and images. The main goal is complex system theory. So very very important. So here I would like to quote, remember some quotes about the creativity. Before that, accept the individual as they are. We have to accept how they are. We should not influence. Not as you are. Accept the individual as they are, not as you are. That is very very important to develop the curiosity among the good quote. It is easy to come up with new ideas. The hard part is letting to go of what worked for you. The many ideas are there, but what they go off 2 years ago, but will soon be out of the list. It is a long list. That is an outdated one. So we have to think of it. So long outdated, we should not go for outdated things. Next, coming to after that is abstraction. Abstraction is its main sense is process, which general rules are derived from the usage and clarification of scientific examples. Abstraction in its main sense is a process by which general rules are derived from the usage and classification of scientific examples. That is abstractions. Classification of specific examples are important, rules and important. Next, simplification. Simplification is also one part. Simplification is the process of replacing. How we are replacing, how it is simple by an equivalent one that it is simpler. Which is simpler, which is simple, we have to make the replace it within the hard part. Next, divergent thinking. Divergent thinking is represent the potential for the creative thinking and problem solving. It's not synonymous with actual creative behavior, but has proven to be a good estimate of it. It's also useful as a contrast or empirical research. It is useful contrast and empirical research. That divergent thinking is useful. Contrast and empirical research purpose. And in various applied settings also, its divergent thinking is very, very useful. The potentiality of the creative thinking is a problem solving. It comes under the divergent thinking. It's not a synonymous thing. Creative behavior is comes under the divergent thinking only. Next, fluency. Fluency is basically one's ability. What is a fluency? Is one person's ability, whether he is a person is able to speak or not. Ability to understand. Ability is to understand, having learned them simultaneously or after the other in the sense of proficiency. Basically, it's an ability. Fluency is an ability. We have to be achieve the sense of proficiency. Next, flexibility. Flexibility is a part of involved creative thinking. The ability of system to vary effectively. Its output within certain range and given time frame is a very important. Ability to system vary effectively, output within a certain range and a given time frame. The persistency. Persistence also is the next part. Willing to devote long hours. Willing to devote long hours for doing something. Persistency. Given task. Work under adverse conditions also if necessary. That's a persistence. I think it is the main. It is comes under people. Those soldiers are working in at the borders. That is not adverse condition for them to, but they have to work it. It is. They use a lot of creativity. They use a lot of assumptions to protect our country to face our foes, enemies. Next, intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic, it is defined as a performing action behavior done in the sake of some external outcome. Next, risk taking. Risk taking refers to the tendency encourage the behaviors. The potential to be harmful or dangerous. They have to think of it. Potential and risk taking of the important. Next, empathy. Empathy, empathy is the ability, that to understand and share the feelings is another. Empathy is ability to understand others, share the feelings with others. The empathy. Next, coming to originality. Originality also important for the creativity. It is the ability to produce unusual ideas. The people, normal people, they go on thinking many things unusual way, but these creative people unusual. They are thinking it is useful. Okay, originality is important. Solve the problems unusual ways. They use things or situations unusual manner. Next, storytelling is a part of this. It is an interactive art of using words, actions, reveal the elements and images of the story, encouraging the listeners to imagine something. This storytelling is also creativity. The people those who have creativity, they'll tell the storytelling in different way. If we better, I would like to here tell you my instance. Rajamouli is a director. How he effectively tell the story in a imaginative way. The same story may be told by other any someone normal, an ordinary man. They think that may not be effective. But due to Rajamouli, that was a great, that bringing to great picture, that was coming to great movie. So I would like to remind that very, very important storytelling is it. Next, flow is also important for the creativity, stream and typical. Next, factors affecting the creativity in individuals. So there are four factors are there. The four factors: solve open-ended questions. We have to solve the open-ended questions. We ask to develop the creativity. We ask open-ended questions. Creativity also we have to solve the open-ended questions. Overcomes the mental fixation also. We are one person, even though if we fix it, but we have to overcome it. We have to change it. The factor. The fosters critical thinking. To show the students to show critical thinking fosters what is behind it, think of it. This is also develops the creativity. Mental fixation, we have to change it. Next, promotes the flexibility and originality is the fact. So these are the things in the part comes under. So far we were discussed about the objectives and the creativity. What is creativity? How creativity is useful a person? What is invention, innovation, novelty, and we used these are also used to invention, novelty, creativity, and there are many things that comes under creativity, and the factors that leads to creativity, and steps to be involved in the scientific approach to be developing creative thinking among the people. Uh, also the factors. What are the factors are going to be effective to develop creativity among the individuals? So this is enough for this is the last. Thank you for watching my video lesson. This is enough for that.